President Aquino hopes state witness Ruby Tuazon's testimony before the Senate will lead to safeguards against the abuse of the country's finances. The president said information provided by such witnesses can help lawmakers refine or amend laws to protect public funds. Meanwhile, the president said it will be premature to consider Janet Napoles, the suspected pork barrel scam mastermind, as a potential state witness at this time. More from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino said it will be premature to consider Janet Lim Napoles, alleged mastermind in the pork barrel scam, as a potential state witness. In his interview at the SM Mall of Asia, the president reiterated that Napoles still kept quiet on the issue and has not shown any sign to discuss vital information on the issue.
Narinig niyo yung joke na natanggap ko, di ba? Yung sa maalala mo kaya at wala rin sa maalala. So far, ganun pa rin yata ngayon. No? Wala pa ako narinig na gusto niyang ibahagi na impormasyon. So, paano natin masasabing dapat maging witness siya? Wala siyang binabahaging impormasyon.
President Aquino said this following the appearance of Ruby Tuazon, former Social Secretary of then-President Tao Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada. But the president stressed even if Napoles decided to admit her possible involvement in the scam, there is a process and the accused should be the least guilty on the case.
At kung meron may ibabahagi, siyempre nasa DOJ para i-analisa kung nakakatulong ba sa kaso to dahil nga kailangan ma-meet yung criteria na not most guilty. E sa ngayon parang siya nasa sentro. Di ba? So parang masasabing not the most guilty. So until magsasalita siya, siguro premature na sabing pwede siya maging state witness.
At present, information reaching the president is that Napoles remains the center of the pork barrel scam, together with some lawmakers were charged of plunder at the office of the Ombudsman.
Well, masasabi natin na tila ang common link doon sa lahat na supposed to be involved, at least as far as one segment of this scam is involved, si Ms. Napoles. So, siya pa pasimuno, hindi ganun kaklaro pa. No? Pero nasa sentro siya ng mga involvement ng di umano yung maraming mga tao.
Meanwhile, President Aquino expressed hopes that the Senate hearing on the misuse of PDAF will lead to safeguards against abuse of public funds. The president said he managed to occasionally watch parts of the televised hearing last Thursday.
Well, palagi ko, nasa karapatan ng Senado na magpatawag ng mga kaukulang witness. Pwede nga magpahusay ng mga batas, lalo na dahil ang budget nanggagaling sa Kongreso, lower house, at pwedeng amendahan, pwedeng sangayunan ng Senado. At ang buong paksa ay natutukoy sa pang-aabuso ng sistema. Natural, maganda nga malaman nila kung paano na-abuso itong sistema to para mailagay yung kaukulang safeguards na hindi na maabuso sa darating na panahon.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.